In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Wise without bank account. If you want to move money directly to another Wise user, you don't need bank details at all, just their Wise tag, email, or phone number. I'll walk you through the exact taps so you can send confidently and avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and that your balance has enough funds for what you're about to send. On the home screen, tap Send. This is the option designed for transferring money out of your Wise balance to someone else. Next, choose Recipient on Wise. This tells the app you're sending to another Wise user rather than to a bank account. It's the key to keeping the transfer inside Wise, which means you won't need bank details. Now enter the amount you want to send. Type the figure carefully and glance at any fees or exchange details shown on the screen. If you're sending in the same currency as your balance, it's typically straightforward. If the currencies differ, Wise will show you the rate and the converted amount before you move on, so you know exactly what the recipient will receive. When you're ready, tap Add Recipient. If you see Add Recipient again, tap it once more to continue. This simply advances you to the screen where you can find the person you're paying within the Wise network. Choose Find on Wise. This search looks for existing Wise profiles and helps ensure the money arrives in the right account. In the search field, enter the recipient's Wise tag or their email or their phone number, whichever they've shared with you. Type carefully and double-check spelling or country codes to avoid pulling up the wrong profile. If multiple results appear, match any visible details you recognize. If nothing shows up, it may mean the person hasn't set up their Wise account fully or isn't discoverable by that detail. In that case, ask them for their Wise tag, which is a reliable way to find them without sharing bank information. Once you've selected the correct recipient, Wise will display a summary of the transfer, including the amount, fees, and what the recipient will get. Review everything, make sure the details look right, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the send. That's it, no bank account required. If you run into issues, confirm the recipient actually has a Wise account and that you're using the exact Wise tag, email, or phone number they use on Wise. With these steps, you can move money between Wise accounts quickly, securely, and without entering any bank details.